Inline cable switches provide convenient power control, improve safety, reduce unplugging wear, and enhance organization for home and office devices. My today's video is about top 5 best inline cable switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Helunsi 5 PCS inline switch. The Helunsi inline cable switch delivers a strong balance of durability, safety, and user convenience, making it a reliable upgrade for everyday electrical control. Built with a high-quality phenolic plastic outer shell, it offers excellent heat resistance, anti-aging performance, and a solid construction that ensures long-term reliability. Inside, the copper double-wire contacts enhance conductivity and reduce wear, ensuring stable and consistent switching over time. One of its standout features is the neon indicator light, which clearly shows on OFF status even in low light, improving usability and safety. Installation is straightforward thanks to its step-by-step guidance, making it ideal for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts. Whether replacing a damaged switch or adding control to a lamp or appliance, it performs efficiently across various applications like table lamps, floor lamps, and small electrical devices. With a pack of 5, rated 250V/10A, compact design, and secure wiring compatibility, this switch is a practical, safe, and cost-effective solution for home and workshop use. Now our second product is Plusbo Inline Cord Switch 2-Pack. This inline cord switch is a practical and reliable solution for controlling a wide range of low-power electrical devices. Built from durable plastic material, it offers strong resistance to heat and aging, ensuring long-term performance even with regular use. Its solid construction makes it suitable for light-duty industrial settings, office equipment, and various home applications. Designed for versatility, it works perfectly with table lamps, desk lamps, wall lamps, mirror lights, fans, and small appliances. The switch supports lamp cords up to 6.5 millimeters in diameter, making it compatible with most standard wiring setups. With a voltage and current rating of AC 120V/10A and 250V/6A, it provides safe and stable electrical control. The two-pole connection design ensures secure installation, while the simple slide mechanism allows smooth and convenient on-off operation. Easy to install even for beginners, it saves time and effort during replacement or setup. Backed by responsive after-sale service, it ensures a dependable and user-friendly experience overall. Our third product is Venfor's Inline Cord Switch. The Venfor's Inline Cord Switch stands out as a dependable and practical solution for controlling everyday lighting and small appliances. Made from premium durable plastic, it offers excellent resistance to heat and aging, ensuring long-lasting performance even under frequent use. Its rugged construction adds reliability, making it suitable for both home and light office applications. Designed with safety in mind, it supports AC 120V/10A and 250V/6A ratings, providing stable and secure electrical control. The switch accommodates lamp cords up to 6.5 millimeters in diameter, making it compatible with most standard lighting setups. Its single-pole design keeps it lightweight while maintaining efficient functionality. This switch is highly versatile, ideal for floor lamps, wall lamps, mirror lights, and various small appliances that require a quick replacement or added control. Installation is simple thanks to its two-pole connection system, and the smooth slide button ensures effortless on-off operation. Compact in size, 60 by 26 by 16 millimeters, it fits neatly into any setup. Backed by responsive after-sale support, it ensures a worry-free user experience. Now number 4, T-Tac Inline Cord Switch. This heavy-duty inline cord switch is built for demanding electrical applications where reliability, safety, and durability are essential. Rated at 16A and 220V, it easily handles high current loads, making it ideal for powerful appliances and outdoor equipment. Its robust performance ensures stable switching even under continuous heavy use. Crafted from high-strength PA 66 material, the switch offers excellent flame retardancy, abrasion resistance, and superior electrical insulation. The button is made from non-toxic, highly transparent PC thermoplastic, providing safe operation with clear visibility. The addition of a 3-position red LED indicator enhances usability, making it easier to monitor power status at a glance. With an IP66 waterproof rating, this switch is highly resistant to water and dust, performing reliably even in harsh outdoor conditions like heavy rain. It is well suited for patios, gardens, industrial tools, lighting systems, and other high-power devices. Its versatile design allows it to revive and safely control aging appliances. However, proper installation is crucial. Correct wiring ensures safe operation and avoids performance issues. Overall, it is a powerful, weatherproof, and professional-grade switching solution. And our last choice is Zoe Yiha 2 PCS Inline Cord Switch. This inline cord switch is a practical and reliable solution for replacing or upgrading old power switches in everyday lighting and small appliances. Designed for office floor lamps, table lamps, mirror lights, wall fixtures, fans, and similar devices, it ensures smooth and secure control with minimal effort. Built from durable, heat-resistant, and anti-aging plastic, the switch offers long-lasting performance while maintaining a clean, user-friendly design. Its solid construction and screw-together housing prevent looseness, giving it a sturdy and dependable feel during use. The included strain relief design helps protect electrical cords from bending stress, improving both safety and lifespan. Featuring a double-pole switching system, it disconnects both conductors for safer operation. With a rating of AC 120V/10A and 250V/6A, it supports a wide range of low to medium power devices and accommodates cords up to 6.5 millimeters in diameter. Easy installation and compact size, 60 by 26 by 16 millimeters, make it a convenient upgrade option for quick repairs and DIY electrical improvements. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.